Assalamualaikum students. Hope you are all well. I am Tawqir Fatma, your English teacher. Let's start the class. Today is 2nd May 2026 and the date is Saturday. Subject English and we are learning in grade prep. Before starting our lesson and get to the topic, let's dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. ऐ मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. आमीन. So, back to the topic. The topic is this and that. This and that. Do you know what are these? क्या है? क्यों यूज करते हैं? Whenever we point to something, किसी भी चीज की तरफ जब हम इशारा करते हैं, तो हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन होते हैं. या वो चीज हमारे near है या far. Near, far. Near, far. Okay. The scissor is near, so we will use the word this. This is a scissor. The board marker is far. दूर है, away है. We will use that is a marker. That is a marker. When the things are near, we use this, and when the things are far, we use that. The book is near to me, so this is a book. This is a book. The duster is far away, so that is a duster. Is that clear? Good. Where do we use this and that? Okay, let's play again. What is this? The is this. The is this. When the word is this, so where should be the aeroplane? It will be near or far. With this, it will be near. This is an aeroplane. Is that clear? Good. And when the word is that, the at that, the at that. When the word is that, so where should be the airplane? कहाँ होगा? Near होगा या far होगा? जब that होगी तो airplane far दूर हो जाएगा. So that is an airplane. Is that clear? Very good. Okay. The at that. The at that. Very good. When the word is that, so where should be the apple? Near or far? It will be far. So the sentence is that is an apple. What will be the sentence? That is an apple. Very good. And when the word is this, the is this, the is this. When the word is this, where should be the apple? It will be near or far. With this, it will be near. With this, it will be near. Very good. And with that, it will be far. That is an apple. Okay, now come and tell me. That is a fan. This is a table. This is a glasses. That is a door. That is a door. This is a cup. Because the cup is near to me, this is a cup. That is a chair. That is a chair. Because the chair is far away. दूर है. जब भी चीजें दूर होंगी, far होगी, we will use that. And for the nearest things and the near to us, we will use this. Clear? Very good. Clap for yourself. Hope you will enjoy the class. आपको ये गेम भी अच्छी लगी होगी और आपने इसको अच्छी तरह समझ भी लिया होगा. Now go back to your bag. Take out the notebook. English workbook. Take out it and do your page number 75 and 76 on your notebook. Is that clear? Yes. Till Monday, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.